Eric, I just had a great chat with Superhuman's CEO about the future of software. I mean, he said he sounded concerned still about where it's going, but a little more optimistic, as you would expect. Are you as optimistic as someone like that leading a software company on software stocks?
I'm very bullish about AI, Brian. I'm LFG on AI all day, but I'm not LFG when it comes to the legacy software stocks. I mean, I think the moves that we've seen in the last week are real. They are a repricing, and anybody who thinks like they're lining up to kind of jump back in for a V-shaped recovery in software stocks multiples, you're going to do it without me. I think the JOLTS data last week, the pullback from hiring, perfectly goes with the decline in the multiple in these software names. And it's basically productivity per employee is shooting up. There's not the same need to hire as we once thought, and that's a game changer for names like Salesforce. Salesforce has basically been a bond for like the last almost 30 years. Like you could just always count on their per seat pricing going up and expansion as far as the eye can see. And that's changed. The terminal value on all these legacy software names have changed. It's going to be the AI names coming up, building from the ground up with the AI tools that are going to attract the new investment dollars.
For now, it has stabilized a bit. You have Compass Point that just came out with a note saying that you may be nearing a bottom, but they also are saying that you could see a leg lower. I mean, that's right now what the conundrum is on Wall Street about where Bitcoin is going to go, because you have bullish calls from Bernstein, for example, still saying that 150 by year end. But you do have Wall Street that is saying, look, we did see this leg lower. We saw a big rebound last Friday, but you could see prices going down as far down as into the 50s. And you've got some that are saying that you won't see a bottom until the summertime. So there is some caution out there among some strategists about where prices are going.
And as we're going to get a great read when we have Robinhood earnings coming up, we have Coinbase earnings coming up this week. These stocks have been hammered. And they really all had a great run up last year, in part because of this belief in crypto. I'm just unsure how these fourth quarter results are going to look. And then more important perhaps than that, how do these companies guide for the first quarter with crypto well off the highs?
Yeah, and I think that what Wall Street is seeing is that with Robinhood especially, Robinhood has diversified itself so much beyond crypto that yes, crypto is part of the Robinhood story for sure, but you are seeing other businesses that are expected to offset the weakness in crypto. So you're looking at their trading volumes that are up, the prediction markets, that's their fastest growing segment. So that's what Wall Street is focusing on. Robinhood's going to be reporting this afternoon. And what I'm going to be watching for is that enough to offset the weakness in crypto? And if you take a look at what the ratings are like, I mean, there's 24 buy ratings on the stock for hold. And so we have seen weakness with the stock recently, but watch out because there's an expectation that their other businesses are going to hold up the float here.
Eric, you think what we have seen in Bitcoin the past 5 days, that's just a dead cat bounce?
Well, the kind of volatility we've seen in the last 4 months, I don't think the Generation 1 treasuries have an honest answer of how to deal with that other than say, oh, just wait 15 years and then everything's going to work itself out. I think the market is hungry for a treasury that does have a more sophisticated detection system and hedging system to kind of allow you to be bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but to do so in a less volatile way that doesn't see as steep drawdowns as we've seen in some of the players that are just sort of sitting back and hoping for the best in the long term. So it's always a good time to start a company that solves a problem. Google was started in the middle of the .com winter, and so hopefully time will prove out that this was just the right time to be starting my Gen 2 Treasury EMJX merging with SRXH.
Good luck on building that out, Eric. Keep us posted here. I appreciate it. And as always, good to see you as well. We will talk to you both soon.